We are back in the test kitchen. I have a special guest with me today. You might have seen him in one of our previous videos, a Michelin-starred chef, Chef Kono, aka ATS. So we are testing yakitori gadgets. So yakitori is basically a skewer with chicken parts.
Yeah, we use so many parts like breast and thigh, also skin and neck and organs like liver, heart.
Yeah.
So all the different parts of the skewers.
We are using a traditional
Yakitori grill.
Against this, we are testing two other gadgets. This baby tiny one, which is very convenient. And have you seen one of these before, Chef?
First, I'm so excited.
Right? Right? I'm super excited for this one. This one is the automatic, so basically you plug it, skewer, and then you can walk away. These are electric.
Yep.
So the flavor is something that I'm very curious. Is it really necessary to have the charcoal, or can you replace it with something like electric and convenient?
Yes, convenience.
So we'll see. That's the
see.
test today. All right, guys, the first step is obviously to skewer your chicken.
It's a chicken thigh, small bite pieces. Actually, best parts is called chicken oyster. That's a joint muscle. This is separate.
Oh, so you separate the...
The best parts.
Well, that's the whole point of yakitori, right? Because
Yakitori.
you want to separate all the parts of the
exactly.
chicken.
Enjoy different flavors and texture.
You want them to be as even as possible.
Yeah. So between meat and with fat.
The fat is always kind of in between
Yeah.
each layer.
Also, no pressure. Meat is relaxed.
I don't know what I did wrong, but his looks like very perfect and mine looks kind of like, you see the difference? He kind of flattened it out and made sure that it was really evenly skewered all throughout the chicken. Difference between Michelin star and non-Michelin star. Try it. I want to try again.
Wow, looks nice. Same size and same
Yeah,
weight.
they all have to be the same size. I'm a fast learner.
That's perfect.
Yes! All right, the most basic binchotan grill.
Concrete outside and 2 windows. We can control airflow.
So you have some special charcoal here.
Yes, it's called Kishu Binchotan. It's a type of white oak.
So it burns for a long time. It's from a special area in Japan.
Very, very special.
Very, very, very special. And then on the left, we'll just use your regular charcoal that you can buy wherever.
So before cook, the salt. Then if you need smoke a lot, you should tap a lot, then smoke come up.
Do you want it to be smoky?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
of
you
course.
want the
Yes, another taste.
smoky flavor.
Yes.
Because yakitori is all about the smoky flavor.
Yeah.
Which is why I'm concerned with the electric one, because we're not gonna
Yeah,
get
that's
that.
not good. That's why charcoal grill yakitori. It's like a different.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
And how long are we cooking these for?
1 minute each flip.
And you keep doing that
Yeah.
until
5-6 minutes.
What's the point of flipping them constantly?
So super hot grill, nice coating char. Then always like minutes, flip it. It's a nice balance. So this juicy, so I don't want to missing. Save umami flavors inside the meat. If all missing, you feel like it's gonna be very dry. Finish like a nice burn, little bit outside.
Little char.
It's gonna be after flavor like char. They're very good. Yeah, always top it. Yeah, top. And smoke. Yeah.
It smells so good with the charcoal. Oh, and another point is like we shouldn't do this indoors.
Oh yeah, indoor.
Don't do it indoors. Always
dangerous,
outdoors.
yes.
Yeah, this is charcoal.
Yeah.
So unless you have like a really big like restaurant quality
Yeah,
vent,
that's probably
then
fine.
it's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. So a little bit soy sauce. Then finish fresh black peppers.
So why black pepper at the end instead of like before?
I like fresh black pepper. It's an accent.
More aromatic. Right?
Yeah.
Can we do a yakitori cheers?
Cheers. Cheers.
It's so juicy.
See? So good.
Wow. How can something so simple like chicken thigh, literally it's just chicken thigh,
Yeah.
be so delicious? It's in its best form.
Yeah.
Super juicy, and that charcoal taste is
Yeah.
like unbelievable.
Yeah.
Now I'm like really doubting those other electronic machines.
Let's see.
Oh man, it's really hard to beat.
Yes.
Next up, we've got your very basic electronic yakitori grill.
It's amazing.
It's basically just a coil,
Yeah.
kind of like
Almost
a
toaster.
toaster. Have you ever used one of these before?
No. It's so exciting, huh?
I mean, there's something nice about the convenience of this.
Yeah.
You can. It's really small, so
Yeah.
you can just like put it in your drawer.
You don't have to burn the charcoal, just put it in.
And you can use this indoors, of course.
Yes.
So how do we take a master yakitori chef and combine it with the most basic yakitori grill? We'll see. Is it about the chef? Is it about the charcoal? Or is it about the technique?
Yeah.
We'll find out.
We'll find out. Oh, sounds good.
Yeah? You know what? The biggest thing for me is that you won't get that charcoal flavor. That's the thing that I liked most about the
It's kind of
yakitori.
like one flavor, like seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's char flavor.
You can't really control the heating. I literally can put my hand right here and keep it there for a while.
Like a steam, looks like
Yeah,
a
it looks like
steaming.
it's steaming. Why does it matter if you don't have enough like heat?
High heat is coating like outside.
So it like seals
Yes,
seals in the moisture.
Yeah, seals the moisture.
But if it's low temperature,
Low temperature.
it's all gonna the juices are all just
missing
gonna.
it down. Yeah. You see the juicy soup. This.
Oh, so that should be sealed into the
Yeah,
chicken.
I don't want to missing this soup. Maybe we'll put it back when I finish it. Yeah. Yeah, but it's working, heating, and skewered chicken.
I mean, it is working, right? It works.
Yeah.
It's just not gonna be the best yakitori of your life. Skewers are finally done. It took 3 times as long as the other one.
Yeah.
15 minutes. See, it just doesn't have the same like aroma as the charcoal, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna ignore that for a second because we're testing for texture, I guess like the juiciness, and see how it differs from
Yep.
the grill.
I feel real dry outside. It's totally different, no char flavor.
But you know what? I must say it's still better than just cooking a chicken thigh in the oven.
Yeah.
I think the technique of skewering has still an effect on how it's cooked. And the convenience of how little this is, you could just literally bust this out from under your bed in your dorm room and start making yakitori.
Yep.
This is the automated yakitori grill. Skewer your meat, put it in the little thing, and then walk away. So you don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
This machine can replace you.
Yeah, that's I need. Yakitori robot.
But you know what? You still need a human element because you have to put it in.
Yep.
And skewering the meat, of course. But you know what? Let's get into it, see how it works.
Yeah, that's the metal skewers more easy heating inside.
This is so fun.
Oh, interesting.
So cute.
Yeah, beautiful interior.
It's like a little like merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round.
Inside, right? Inside the... You know what? If this played music, it would be worth that money. What about the chicken kind of being like,
The
there's
style.
the gravity
Yeah.
is making the chicken shape a little bit like, yeah, bumping into each other. How about if you make your skewers like skinny?
It still work, but it's not taste juicy thing.
Got it. It'll be too dry.
Yeah, too good, yeah.
How about compared to the one before, the small one?
I think that's better.
Really? You think that's better?
Yeah, a lot of drip soup.
A lot of dripping happening. Quick, high temperature is probably ideal for yakitori.
Yeah,
These electronic machines, it's just not hot enough.
not
right?
high, but yeah.
One thing to note is there's no smoke.
No smoke.
No
yeah.
smoke at all.
Yeah.
So this is done, 10 minutes. I think the metal skewers cooked it a little bit quicker than the other
Bamboo
gadget.
skewer, yeah.
Yeah. But you see how like pale that is? It doesn't
Looks
look
like boiled chicken.
Yeah, it doesn't look very appetizing. Okay. And no smell.
No smell, chicken smell.
You can
Maybe
finish
soy
with it, I
sauce,
guess.
yeah. Ah, hot.
Hot.
Oh, this is hot. It's a
It's so
fresh
boring.
chicken.
Yeah, it's so like,
Not boiled, not grilled.
yeah, not boiled, not grilled, like in between. It does not have good texture. It's not crispy. Like I almost prefer the other one,
Yeah,
right?
that one better, right?
Yeah, that little small
Yeah,
machine,
small machine,
that's
yeah.
like better.
But it's good things like 10 skewer same times in the finish.
But it tastes bad.
Tastes better, yeah.
There's like nothing exciting about it, right? Besides the fact that it looks cute.
Yeah.
It's fun to watch,
Yes.
entertaining,
Yep. Not good, chef.
not good.
Have to hard work
Yeah, I mean, I think that the point is you can't beat the human touch, right?
Yeah.
And you know what? If you want to do yakitori at home, you should do it the right way,
Yeah,
I think.
right
Like,
way.
just have fun with it. That's the whole point.
But it's finished, it should be delicious.
Yeah. So I'm sure there's yakitori grills out there that are electric that may work. In this case, the two that we had were not hot enough. So chef, what I learned from you today, number one,
Yep.
you must cut and skewer the meat evenly,
Yep.
right? Number two, high heat.
High heat.
Number three, turn often.
Yep, smoke flavor and temperature.
Yeah.
It's very important there.
Number four, have a master chef next to you. Thank you, chef, so much.
Thank you so much.
You can take this home if you want.
Oh, thank you. I got it.